If you can't stand hiccups but still want to know why they happen, then this video is your cure. Hiccups are caused by sudden contractions of your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. When it spasms, your vocal cords snap shut, making that hic sound. Fun fact, hiccups can happen to anyone, even babies in the womb. They usually go away on their own, but some people swear by remedies like drinking water upside down or holding your breath. Next time you get the hiccups, just remember, it's your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum. Stay curious, folks.